Hi, this is John in Los Angeles. It's November 9th, 2023, about almost 5 o'clock in the afternoon. Our sky is a mess today, but I want to while I got this guy, I want to see if I can see what it is. He's off in the distance here. Let me show you the rest of the sky here. Take a look at this. It's all them. Every single bit of it. Look at this. Look at that. That does not look earthly to me. Just how weird it looks. Oh, I see a face right there. Look at that. It's got the ear, the nose. Looks like it's got a mustache maybe. Right in the middle there. Anyway, sky is a mess today. It's been a mess and nobody seems to be paying attention, which is very sad. So thank you guys who are paying attention. I really appreciate it. We need you now. Okay? Look at all that. Every bit of that is these pecker bites. Every bit of it. So take care, guys. I'm out.